Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can search your flight on Skiplagged. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser of your preference and type in the URL www.skiplagged.com. So once you type it in, you will end up in the official website of Skiplagged. So once you are here, all you need to do is simply get signed up into your account. So once you are signed up, you need to simply choose whether you want a round trip, one way, or anything you want to choose, and how many travelers are traveling. Then you need to simply type in the address, like where you are, and then you need to type in where you want to go. So once you do this, you can simply select a date and then tap on search flight. So once you do this, you will be shown a list of flights that fly to that country that you chose and from where you are staying right now. So this way you can simply search for flights on skiplagged.com. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.